Hi everyone, I'm Elena. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Sicily and I've just run my first yoga retreat here just a week ago. So I'd like to take few minutes to say a big thank you to Foti and Amelia. They've been just amazing. I've met them in December 2021, about 7 months ago, and we started this journey together since January. With them, it's absolutely amazing. I mean, the constant support they give you, the love they put in what they do, and the experience they have, it's really something that you can't compare with. And I mean, I had so many fears, I had so many doubts about on the way, and they've been always supporting. This is not really just an online course where you click play on the video and you watch the video and you learn. Well, you have that as well, but it's much more than that. You have constant support, you have some sales training, you have the calls with Amelia, and I mean, they give you so many suggestions, tips. I know in the beginning it can be really hard because opening up a business anyway, like running retreats, it's really that you have to think about many things, the sales aspect and the organization, the logistic, and so on. But they make it really easy because they take you step by step, and they make it happen basically. So as Amelia says, your intention is 50%, and we'll do the rest. In 6 months I had everything set up. Also, there was this big support regarding the sales part on Facebook ads, on creating your email campaign. And now I feel that I can spread my wings and I can do it by myself, even though I know that I'm part of the community. Because yes, when you apply with the Medium 40, you also be part of a big community of people that are just like you, and they just started from nothing, and you can always contact them, have a call, and it's really great to have this support as well. If you're hearing the call, just go for it. It's an amazing experience, and it's going to give you back so much. I mean, the feelings after the retreat, it's something you can't really explain in words, and you really have to live it to understand it. It's just amazing to see all these people so happy, and make you so proud, and makes you just go forward and organize other 100 retreats more. So if you really hearing the call, go ahead. Okay, good luck guys. Ciao.